Clear air turbulence, CAT. This type of turbulence occurs in clear skies and is often caused by changes in wind speed and direction. Mountain wave turbulence. This type of turbulence occurs when air flows over a mountain range, causing waves of turbulent air to form on the leeward side of the mountain. Convective turbulence. This type of turbulence is caused by the heating of the Earth's surface, which creates pockets of rising air that can lead to bumpy flights. Wake turbulence. This type of turbulence is created by the swirling air currents behind large aircraft and can be dangerous for smaller aircraft that follow behind. Shear turbulence. This type of turbulence occurs when there is a sudden change in wind speed or direction, causing a shearing effect on the air. Jet stream turbulence. This type of turbulence occurs in the high-altitude jet stream and can be caused by changes in wind speed and direction. Frontal turbulence. This type of turbulence occurs at the boundary between two different air masses, such as warm and cold fronts, and can cause sudden changes in altitude. Gust turbulence. This type of turbulence is caused by sudden gusts of wind, such as those encountered during thunderstorms. Mechanical turbulence. This type of turbulence is caused by the presence of buildings, hills, or other obstacles on the ground that disrupt the flow of air.